Welcome to Radzen Blazor Studio. In this video, we'll explore borders, how to apply, customize, and style them visually or via CSS utility classes to keep your design clean and consistent across themes. Let's start in the Appearance panel. Here, you can customize the default border width and border radius for all components in your app. You can also control how borders behave in different interaction states, such as hover or focus. These settings update your theme globally, ensuring every component follows the same border style. Radzen uses a dedicated CSS variable for border width. This is RZ border width. Changing this variable adjusts the border thickness across your app. You can also apply radius values globally or use the border radius utility classes directly in markup. For example, RZ border radius 6. There are multiple radius levels available. Just change the number from 0 to 10 for more or less curvature. Now let's look at adding or removing borders. Radzen includes utility classes that make this effortless. For example, RZ border right and RZ border right 0. Here, RZ border right adds a solid border on the right side using the theme's base border color, and RZ border right 0 removes it. Need to style border color? Use border color utility classes. For example, RZ border right, RZ border color success. This adds a right border with the theme's success color. Or apply a full color border on all sides using shorthand classes like RZ border primary. This is equivalent to combining RZ border and RZ border color primary. These classes are theme-aware, so they automatically adapt when you change themes or swatches. You can also style borders on individual components visually. Select any component on the design surface, open the Styles tab in the Property grid, and expand the border section. From there, you can change width, color, radius, or remove borders entirely without writing any code. And that's it! You've learned how to configure global border settings, use CSS variables and utility classes, and customize borders visually using the Styles tab, all within Radzen Blazor Studio.